Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube video channel where we get to discuss about facts of life and inspiration, motivating and talks of life and ideologies. I am Afolabi Oluwatobi, and this morning I want to discuss about success. Yes, I know a lot of us is conversant with this word success. A lot of us is familiar with the word success. It has been given various definitions by various authors, various scholars. Different perspectives of success has been viewed over time. Although there has been a generality, there's been a generalization of the definition of success. But to me, success is relative. It's relative in definition. It's individual based and should not be something generalized. Alright, success is seen as the attainment of goal, the achievement of goal, the accomplishment of goal, fulfillment of goals. Over time, the world has ascribed a successful person to the physical things that are seenable by men, that are seenable by all. Success over time has been linked to something visible, something everyone can access. To a lot of people, they see success as the attainment. They see success as the physical things that is attainable or that has been attained by men. Right, that reminds me of, when I gained admission, I already set a goal of getting something fulfilled in school. So I got there, I kept chasing, but due to some factors, I couldn't get what I wanted to achieve. At the point I got depressed, and that was precisely when my 300 level result came out, and it became dawn on me that the reality of life, the reality of getting this is far from me. When I had a lower result, I was trying to get a first class degree. I got a lower GP at my 300 level, so I gave up my 400 level. But thanks to the help of friends who picked me up and gave me reasons to keep pushing, to keep going, to keep fighting. To me at that point, success was far from me. To me at that point, instead of me examining my effort, instead of me rewarding my efforts, the goal itself was the definition of success to me. And I know that's it to a lot of people. But I've come this morning to tell you that success is not only limited, or in real sense, in reality, is not limited to the physical things that is accessible by men. The process, the efforts, the commitments, the sacrifices, the fighting spirit put towards attainment of that goal in itself, it's success, and not the physical thing. The world has confirmed the definition of success to something physical. A lot of people are being examined by the physical things, by the network of men, by the amount he has in his account, numbers of cars and houses he has. But success itself is all encompassing. The process, the commitment, the pain, the sacrifice, the training, the effort put to attainment of a goal, it's the success itself. A lot of people get frustrated when they are not seeing results. They feel they are a failure. I bring a message to you this morning that the effort, the process you've put towards a thing in itself, it's success, even if the goal itself is not a thing. Join me another time where we bring you more and we share more ideologies and videos.